You guys, I got all of these bags for $17 at a fill-a-bag garage sale, so let me share what I got to resell with you guys. I should add, not everything is for resale. Some of it we're going to be keeping, but as far as resale, some of it I'll break down for a garage sale, some of it I'll take to Plato's Closet and Style Encore, which is buy, sell, trade, sell stores, and then some of it I list online. So this is a cute little made in England kind of glass set, salt and pepper shaker, all that, but it's made in England. Look how cute these are. This is a little vintage spinning rack. I think it's spinning. But yeah, it's adorable. I only paid $2 for it.
Mommy,
you want to see it? All right, and the rest of what I got these Taos, I think it, T-A-O-S, these sandals. Not every bag had a ton in it, some of them didn't, but I like to just average. So basically I paid $15 for 5 bags because it was $3 a bag. All right, this one's kind of hard to see, but it's called Arcopetico shoes. But I figured the olive green color, I know Style Encore would definitely probably take them. Another pair of those T-A-O-S, Taos, I think is how you pronounce it. But these were in really good condition. Another pair of Taos. These again were in really good condition. I just picked up some bras. I didn't even see the brand of them because I figured you'd get a ton of bras in there, and if they're in really good condition, those do well online. I couldn't find a brand on that one. Oh, Aerie. American Eagle shirt. I got lots of American Eagles. Another bra. Sports bras do really well, especially at garage sales. And again, if it's, you know, in a bag sale, that you can get a lot in there. All right, Pistola. That's a decent brand. I may list that one online. I'm not for sure. Hey, just be careful, okay? My daughter's playing with that tea set now. Exhilaration. This is an example that will probably go to Plato's or Style Encore. A Reebok bra. And then a 90 degrees bra. Another kind of sheer brass. This is Loft. Okay, next item. I believe this is Cabby. Yep, Cabby. So again, most of this was just filler stuff just because I figured it would be super picked over, which it was, Lane Bryant. But still, I was able to get these bags filled in like 15 minutes. 41 Hawthorne. It's a dress. That does really well at Style Encore. Cafe Marrakesh. Have not heard of that brand, but that was a cute little boho top. Some bobs in really good condition. Max Studio dress. A Maurice's dress. Soft surroundings. Lots of on-trend stuff. Okay, this was vintage. It was a vintage nightgown. Hey baby, hey, be careful you don't drop those, okay? Sonoma. You'll be careful with it. Okay, what is this? New Balance. Again, not everything is going to be listed online. In fact, I think probably just 1 or 2 things. Just 1 or 2 things is probably going to be listed. Most of this is just filler items to send to the consignment booth or Plato's and Style Encore. So this is kids Cotton On. Bordeaux. Thought my daughter would like this one because she likes volleyball. Nothing special there. Some Matilda Jane little girls. Got my youngest daughter some old pants for outside. and some play dresses. This Mickey Mouse shirt. Lily Pulitzer little kid. These J. Crew suede leather flats. They're basically like new. You like playing with those? Those are so cute. Worth, New York. I'm pretty sure this is a good brand, so definitely gonna look that up again before I start listing stuff.
This is mine.
Hazel. What?
I think this is
Yeah, you are gonna have some of this stuff. Just a plain pink tee. I was just trying to find filler stuff at that point.
This is mine.
The light pink one. The other one is gonna be way too big for you, baby. This is a J. Jill piece.
Does it fit to me?
Yes, it will fit you. Piranha. I was excited to find Piranha because it does resell really well, but unfortunately that's white, so I'm worried. Here, you gotta be careful. You're gonna drop your glass. Put it on the ground. Good girl. All right, a plain plain sweatshirt for me. It was just a Walmart brand.
It's just Walmart truck.
Mess baby. Again, just a plain tank. I needed some, so that was perfect. White House Black Market. J. Crew. This is a cute long sleeve. American Eagle. I really liked the style of this American Eagle top. And this was Maurice's. American Eagle. American Eagle. Just some Sierra kind of flats. But again, Style Encore is doing a shoe thing right now, so you can be entered into a drawing to win something. Lucky Brand booties. Okay, that was everything, so I'm gonna add up everything and let you know how many I got for $17. That includes the glass little jars and stuff too, so one sec. All right, it ended up being 47 items, so that was pretty awesome for only $17. Well, I guess 48 if you count that little salt and shaker kind of jar tray thing. So yeah, that's really exciting. I'm gonna make quite a bit of money on this load. Make sure you're following me for tips and tricks on how to resell, or if you just like seeing a good deal found. So thanks you guys so much for watching.